So let's talk about how you can create all the content just by doing it once, right? So we start either from audio or video. So if you are new to video, you don't know how to talk to camera, start with audio, and that's perfect because you can repurpose the audio into video, right? And you can do this by using Facebook Live, or you can use like pre-recorded as well. So it doesn't matter what format or what way you are using to create audio. So you create audio or you create a video talking about the content. Then you use the content and you can hire a ghostwriter, or you can just send it to transcribe. Then you can create a blog content there. So that's how. So the first thing, the only part you have to create yourself is the audio or the video. It depends on which one you like. Then you can create the blog. So that's how you create blog. Then you can use the audio and the video. Then you repackage it and launch a course. So that's how you create a course, right? So right now you either have a course. So if you have enough like audio or the video, you can just create these two things, right? Then after you got a blog, you can repackage the content and create a VBook. And another way is you can actually just go from there, from video, audio, then you go straight to create your ebook. So you don't really need to write an ebook. You can speak an ebook, right? Then after you create your blog, and that's why I highly recommend you to have the blog, because after people visit your site, you can run ads, you can do retargeting to your current audience. So you can run ads to them, right? You can use the same content and send it back to blog, or you can use different content, but because it's related to your blog, so they will have resonate with your content. And after they visit your blog, you want to invite them to become your subscribers. So you want to send them to email. And what do you mention about email? Yeah, you need to promote your business or promote your course, your coaching, your consultant, but you also want to send them back to your blog or send them to your video. So, and you can also send them to your social media, right? So then, because we already have content there, we can repurpose the content again to reply the question on Q&A site. So you can go to Quora and you can say, and some people ask a question, you can give them a brief answer on Quora, and you can invite them. If you want to learn more, read this post. So right now, those people become your audience. Then you can also try to reply them on forum. So you can say, if you want to learn more, go back to my website. So right now you got the audience. You can also go to social, right? You can go to Facebook group. You can say, I learned something really great and I want to share with you. And if you want to learn more, go read my post. So right now you use blog to get all the traffic to build your audience. Then you can follow up with them with your ads and your email. And the good part of that is that all you need to do is audio, and the rest of that is you can easily find someone to do that for you, outsource site on Fiverr or Upwork. So that's the entire system. I hope you enjoyed that. I'll see you soon in the next video.